Gone back to the same routine. Boy in the morning and the girls them in the evening. Right, I stay for wait till this over for the girl them. After rain the herd come in. Well, yeah, I went by a foot now, yeah. West side. One God, one destination, man. Follow your dream, hold on to it no matter what. Can't more than time, you know. Can't more than time, family. Can't more than time. And when they still a hold up in foot, him start put it down. A new observant on the farm, I observe something. I use the alkaline spray. Electrolyte spray. I love to have alkaline. Electrolyte spray. Since I start using it, I find out I get whole heap of losing a kid. So me I observe now this one lose kid. So me I observe she having kid, she lose kid. So she in kid. So me I observe now all of whom use the electrolyte spray pan, me notice them lose them kid. So them the one them no, me no use the pan, so now me observe and learn and know if it's the electrolyte that caused the aborting. Cause immediately after me use the electrolyte, I see goat lose kid. So yeah, it caused me to think and say all type of things, but right now me memory go back and you know the mad science in my memory come out and know say how a base power way you use. So yeah, now it's after 6, closing up and bringing everybody in a pen now. So yeah, here is the goat where I introduced you a long time ago. She have one stillbirth, you know. And now she in kid again, you see me? You remember the maga goat, cranky goat, dirty looking goat, see her here? Pretty poor lady again, you know. Yeah man, so just time, you know. Just time. I want to give thanks to everything, Father God. Thank you for your grace, your mercy. Now the day is done, night is drawing by, shall of even sail across the sky. Glory to the Father, glory to the Son, and to the Spirit while the day is done. Night or darkness receive thee, O Lord. We ask now, Father, that you will watch over us while we sleep and keep us safe. Thank you for this rain that keep the grass fresh, Lord. To your hand again, YouTubers, how you do? One God, one destination, one love. Keep the peace. You know, no cup, no broke, no coffee, no dash way. Brother God. So which day they go back, we must me just introduce him to the thing. Going over a month now. So guess what happened now? You see rain fall and I tell up watch him a tangle up now. You know what make him tangle up? Cause me I show him say me come for you. You know, so it's a go away. When them go away. So now I come to clear him out, make him know say, yeah, yes I have to stay. Go back for him. And go back for one this morning again too. So bless up YouTube. Peace. You know. A lot of things we say about right now is just a chill vibe. So just a chill out and see. One next video me I send up, you know.